Hi, Michael here. This is an analog PA system with the analog speaker, analog microphone, and the analog amplifier. Everything connected via physical cable connection. So everything works, right? For this traditional analog PA system, you can only broadcast from this microphone into one single area or one speaker zone. But what if you need to connect your existing SIP phone or the IPPBX server into your system? Well, this is why I'm introducing you today the IP Audio Bridge. This is a SIP standard IP device that can turn into your existing analog PA system into a SIP support network PA system in under 2 minutes. It's very simple. Let me show you. First of all, connect your network cable into this IP Audio Bridge. And then connect the other end to your PoE network switch. Second, connect the audio cable into the IP Audio Bridge's audio output. And for the other end, connect into your analog amplifier's audio input. And lastly, using your PC to configure the IP Audio Bridge and your SIP phone's IP address to register into the same platform server. Using your PC to configure the IP Audio Bridge's SIP account information and its IP address to register to your existing IPPBX or our platform server. Now everything is set. We don't need to use this analog microphone anymore. Instead, we can just use this SIP phone to make an announcement to this analog system. So check this out. When I dial this number, you can directly call to your analog system. Hello, testing, attention please. So with just one small IP audio bridge, you can upgrade your analog system into an IP network PA system without need to changing the whole system, fast and simple.